In this video, I'm going to talk about the evolution of mountain biking. I've got my 2002 Trek STP 400. 15 years later, got the Haibike Full 9 RX 2017. I'm going to show you some of the differences and how we've come along as far as mountain biking society goes in the last 15 years. Now let's look at all these differences. 2002, we have a 26-inch wheel. 2017, we've got a 29-inch wheel. We have the Rolf Propel wheel set as a minimum spoke design. Here we have the Taurus wheel set. Now going right along with wheels, we have disc brakes on the 2017. And disc brakes came out somewhere around maybe 1998, 99 by a company called Hayes. Hayes came out with disc brakes for the mountain bike world and changed it entirely. Now back in 2002, we had V-brakes. They were a huge advantage over the old cantilever style and provided great modulation. In 2002, Shimano XTR was the top of the line. Crank and derailleurs, pretty much anything XTR was about top of the line. We've got triple chain ring up front here, 9 chain rings in the back. Now unique to the Haibike is the Yamaha drive, and that's going to have 2 chain rings up front, 10 chain rings in the back. Here's where some big differences are. Back in 2002, this was one of the lightest race bikes you could buy. This is an extra large frame, and this bike weighs in at 21 pounds. It is super, super light. One-piece carbon frame. Over here on the 2017 Haibike, weighs in at 53 pounds. Well, that's an awful lot of weight. But when you have the battery assist, you really don't feel it when you pedal. You really only feel it when you're trying to hop over logs, rocks, trying to climb up a steep hill and really maneuver the bike around and make it a little more flickable. That's where a huge difference is in these two bikes. Another big difference in these two bikes, this is a pivotless rear suspension. It basically just takes off those real kind of sharp jabs to your butt and your back. Rear suspension on this, you can hit just about anything and you don't get that real sharp jab in your butt or back. Along with all this new technology comes a lot of price increase. Now in 2002, that was one of the most expensive bikes you can buy. Any Trek dealer, that bike was $5,000. Now this Haibike, you're looking at about $3,500 for this. Now it's two totally different bikes, but just to give you a price comparison. Now some of the top of the line mountain bikes of today run $10,000 to $12,000. Now that's my basic rundown of where mountain biking has come over the last 15 years. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite old school bike was. The Trek Y bikes, remember the K2 ProFlex bikes. Let me know what you guys rode back then and how you liked them. Hope you found this video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.